Are you aware that your mind is offline when you're always online? The unseen impact of digital overwhelm. A pervasive mental fatigue is often induced by the constant influx of digital information. The often overlooked effects of this modern phenomenon on personal well-being and productivity are explored. The invisible burden, the always-on culture, how notifications, emails, and endless feeds create a constant mental buzz. It's not just screen time, it's information overload, differentiating passive consumption from active processing demands. Initial symptoms: the subtle shift from engaged to overwhelmed, irritability, shortened attention span, decision fatigue. Beyond the screen, physiological and psychological toll. The brain on overload, explaining the neuroscience of cognitive burnout and depleted executive function. Stress hormones and sleep cycles, how constant digital stimulation disrupts our natural rhythms. The erosion of deep work, how a scattered mind prevents focused, meaningful tasks and creative thought. The productivity paradox, the illusion of efficiency, why more access to information doesn't always mean more output. Task switching and cognitive debt, the hidden cost of jumping between apps and responsibilities. The fear of missing out, FOMO, and its impact on genuine progress and well-being. Reclaiming your mental bandwidth. Practical strategies for digital detox. Specific, actionable steps viewers can implement immediately. Mindful consumption. Techniques for intentional engagement rather than passive scrolling. Setting boundaries. Tips for communicating digital availability in personal and professional spheres. Building a more intentional digital life. The benefits of digital minimalism. What a less overwhelmed life truly looks and feels like. Tools and habits for sustainable well-being. Apps, routines, and mindset shifts to integrate. The power of quiet. Why disconnecting periodically is crucial for innovation, reflection, and human connection.